Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Now, before I go to the cooking part, I just want to say a few words. There are our non-Muslim brothers and sisters who have asked me some of the Arabic words that I use in my cooking and they're not familiar. Well, in my first episode description, I gave the meaning of each word. But anyway, I'm happy to repeat that. Now, very often I mention Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah, Bismillah. We refer everything to our Creator. So our Creator's name in Arabic is called Allah. So when we say Alhamdulillah, that means we thank Allah. When we say MashaAllah, Allah has willed. And when we say Bismillah, in the name of Allah. And very often you'll see Muslims greeting each other, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. That means, may God peace be upon you. That's how it is. So very often Muslims will be using these words in everyday life. So likewise, when I do my cooking show, very often you'll be hearing this voice. Keep on asking about this information. Don't be shy. I'm very happy to explain to you. Alright, now back to the cooking today. Now today, I'm going to make pasta in minced beef sauce. Well, I know many of you would have tried, but I'm doing it the Baba's way. Okay? Now cameraman, can you come closer? Focus at the ingredients. Well, look at here. We have elbow, which has been pre-cooked already. Now, another suggestion when you cook pasta with the boiling water, please put some olive oil because it will not stick to each other, and put some salt as well. Alright? So this is already pre-cooked. Okay. Then we need some diced tomato, then some chopped onions. Then this is pre-cooked beef. I've already cooked the beef with warm water, just warm water and a bit of salt. That's about it. And I strained it. And then here we have some olive oil, garlic, and tomato sauce. Well, those are the ingredients for the cooking today. And please follow me to my stove. Come on over. Come on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have to turn oil. Wow. Let it get a bit warmer. Okay, let it get a bit warm. Okay, we have to heat up the pan. So I think it's almost it. Okay. What we do is put a bit of oil, olive oil. This is olive oil. Okay. Right, here a bit enough. And then spread it out a bit. Spread it out here. Then what we do is, in the Italian cooking, they love garlic, they like tomatoes. So a little bit more garlic this time. Here we go. Look at it. Okay, that's fine. Maybe a bit, if you like a bit more. Cameraman, can you smell the aroma? Oh, okay. Before it turns brown, I'm going a little bit of chop. Not now, a little bit. I'll leave the other half for the next round. Now, first what we'll do is just and next goes the minced beef. I think it needs a bit more oil because it looks a bit dry. So let me put a bit more oil. Yeah, olive oil. This is all olive oil. Now, of course, you can put some chili powder or cayenne powder. As I mentioned earlier, this minced beef is already cooked, so you don't need to cook too long. You just have to warm it up and then scramble with the rest of the ingredients. Yeah, what I'm doing now is stirring and mixing it together. Okay, now let me add some condiments. Well, this time I'll add salt, a bit of salt here. Yeah, give a little salt here. And then a bit of pepper, a little bit of pepper, not too much, just a little. Right, just a little. And then there goes I just put half of it. Look at that, only half of it. Not too much. I'll leave it for at the end to use at the end. Only if you're here you can smell aroma. I'll put in the rest of the onions. Okay, good. Keep on stirring. Then goes the tomatoes. I'll put all the tomatoes. Yes, at one go. All the tomatoes. Look at that sizzling sound. Look at that sizzling sound. Oh, wow. I will close it. Man, I don't know how to explain it. The aroma is really. Now is the time to add the ketchup. A bit of ketchup here. Just spread it out. Yes, here we go. And then pour the oil. Right? And let's finish off all the garlic. Okay, now stir it, mix it up. Now I'm going to increase the heat slightly. Interestingly, of course, most of the time people pour the sauce, the meat sauce, whatever sauce they made, on top of the pasta. But what I'm doing is I am putting the pasta on top of the meat sauce. So it's a bit different, but that's how I've been preparing all these years. Now look at what I'm going to do now. Now I'm going to spread it out. Cameraman, can you smell? Cameraman, you love it? Good, mashallah. Now goes the pre-cooked pasta. Elbow. We call it elbow, right? Spread it on top of it. Yes, on top of it. Like this. Look at it. Is it too much? I don't know. But let's fill it up. Here we go. Now spread it up. Okay. What I'll do is now I put a bit more salt. Now you can add a slice of butter on top of it if it's up to you. But I think I have enough of oil this time. I'll just whatever oil is left behind. Okay. Oil. Then goes the. I'll spread it around. Well, I need to put a bit more oil. Yes. And then what I do is I mix it up. Look at the way I mix it up. Now I will mix it up. Mix it and stir it. I like my food to be spicy. So I'm going to add some chili powder. It's up to you, but I love to add chili powder. Right. There we go. Bismillah. Now what I do, I rotate the pan and then I keep on mixing. Okay. Just leave it close. Just leave for about 30 seconds. Then it's done. Now, to the table. There you have it. The pasta with the minced beef sauce. Is made Baba's way, Baba's Halal kitchen. Now, where's the taster? Here you are. Okay, I'm going to put some more. We'll try. Okay, here we go. Cameraman, do you want to have some? I know you want to have some, but please be patient. Let us see the taster, okay? Let us see the taster. Now, for the audience out there, if you want to add more olive oil, please go ahead. If you want to add cheese, grated cheese, fine, go ahead. But in my case, I don't use much. I don't use cheese, but I use less oil. Okay, here we go. I might stay heavy. Say Bismillah before you eat.
Bismillah.
Okay.
Really good.
Really good. There you have it. Look at the good said good. I didn't pay him money to say that. I mean, he's a fair income boy. He'll tell the truth. If he likes it, he'll say he likes it. If he doesn't like it, he'll also say he doesn't like it. So he really fair income. I'm very happy with that. I'm able to share this recipe with you. Overwhelmed, of course, overwhelmed by your support and your encouragement, and keep on watching my videos. And well, that's it for this time. Watch out for my next exciting episode of Baba's Halal Kitchen. Don't forget to share my Facebook with all your friends and family, all your contacts. Please share my Facebook details, which is Baba's Halal Kitchen. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.